Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve STDriver64.sys with high CPU usage in Windows 11. High CPU usage can be a significant problem in Windows as it slows down your system, affects performance, and can lead to overheating or reduce efficiency during tasks. STDriver.sys open link to audio-related applications or drivers, and the most common cause is outdated or incompatible drivers that create conflicts within the system, background processes associated with certain audio enhancement software, and corruptions within the file itself, and conflicts with the recent Windows update. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung sound, video, and game controllers. And then dito lang sa kanyang audio driver, so kailangan lang natin itong i-update. Alright? So i-select mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung update driver. So click mo lang yan. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then, kailangan mo lang itap tong search automatically, and then click mo lang yan and wait natin. And makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito sa device manager, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable audio enhancement. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung system, at dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sound, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa sounds, and then select mo lang dito kung ano yung ginagamit natin na microphone or audio, alright? And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung speakers. So itap lang natin yan. And dito sa kanyang speakers properties, so scroll down lang tayo. At dito lang makikita mo yung audio enhancement. Alright. So dito kailangan naka-turn off ito. Okay. So dito lang sa right side, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung off. Okay. So turn off mo lang siya. And then after dito sa settings, and the last solution na pwede natin gawin is to run system file check. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or dito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning a system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete, and then next step. So close lang natin tong CMD, at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix STDriver64.sys with high CPU usage in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.